All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1042, Stone case.
Thank you.
You welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Stone, you
Yes,
brought
ma'am.
this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so basically, this is my twin sister. She dropped off her child to me about like 6 months ago, dropped her off saying that she was gonna come back, run to the store, and literally never came back. I've been taking care of her. I myself has 2 other kids as well. The little girl, her name is Karina.
Okay.
But Karina, so she...
How old is Karina?
Miss Stone takes the stand and drops a bombshell. Her twin sister left her 4-year-old daughter Karina at her doorstep 6 months ago, saying she was just going to the store, never came back. Now Miss Stone is caring for 3 kids, juggling doctor visits, and footing the bills, all while her sister allegedly parties at clubs. The judge wastes no time setting the tone. No laughing, no nonsense. The room goes silent as the weight of the accusation lands. This isn't just a family spat, it's abandonment wrapped in irresponsibility.
She's 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah. She's been getting sick a lot. I've been taking her to a doctor, but out of my pocket, it's been hard to take care of all that. And from what I hear, my sister over here has been up in the club, twerking, and not taking care of her responsibilities, and not doing what she needs to do.
Why is it funny?
I don't know.
When she finishes, then I will come to you. But there will be no laughing in here. Especially about what, don't be sorry, just don't do it.
Right.
Especially about what she just said, allegedly, that you're doing. You may continue.
But that's basically it. I'm here to request child support from her. That is my niece, and I do want her to, be okay, but I can't take care of her by myself.
Okay. All right. So, what's your name?
I'm Christina Stone.
Okay. All right. Christina?
Christina, the biological mother, finally speaks, and it's not remorse we hear. She questions why they're even in court, brushing it off as just a family matter. But Judge Vanderbeek is having none of that. When pressed, Christina admits she hasn't even tried calling her sister in months. Her vibe is defensive, detached. The judge sees right through it, pointing out the child has been sick, unsupported, and left behind. Christina's excuses start to crumble under the pressure of cold, hard facts.
What do you have to say about what your sister said?
Basically, I just feel like we shouldn't even be here. We're sisters. This is a family matter. I don't even know why she even brought me here. I have tried to contact her, and for some reason, I have not been able to get a hold of her.
Wait a minute. Hold on 1 second. You seem to be upset.
Yes, I am very upset because she's over here.
She should be upset. If what she says is true, that you left Karina with her after going to the store, is that true?
And she hasn't even called me at all. That's a lie.
Trying to get a hold of her.
1 second. It's a yes or no. Is that true? Did
Yes.
you leave Karina? Okay. She should be the one upset. You left your daughter, have not come back. She's paying things out of pocket. Your daughter has health issues, and you're not giving her any type of financial assistance. She should be upset. I don't understand your attitude.
I understand, but we are blood. We are family. I am going through a lot myself.
What are you going through?
Well, my baby father in jail, so it's hard for me to really...
What he in jail for?
Christina attempts to gain sympathy by mentioning her baby daddy's in jail for drugs, but Judge Wanda keeps her locked in. The room learns dad's been gone for years and doesn't know the child at all. This isn't about bad luck, it's about accountability. The judge makes it clear. Being family doesn't erase your financial and moral responsibilities. And just like that, the courtroom's emotional scale tips further toward Miss Stone, who's been carrying the weight without a single check or call.
He got involved in some drugs, and
He's a deadbeat. He ain't taking care of nobody.
Oh, okay.
So basically, yeah, he got involved with some drugs. He ended up in the penitentiary, and...
How long has he been in there?
He's been in there for about 2 to 3 years, 2.5,
Okay.
something like that.
So he doesn't really know Karina then?
No,
Okay.
unfortunately.
All right. Okay, and I see that dad was served by way of you through the penitentiary system. So he was ordered, to not necessarily be here because he can't be here, but he is aware that this hearing is taking place today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah. I understand that it's a family matter, but at the end of the day, she's still doing something she is not obligated to do. And you do need to pay her child support.
Judge Vonda confirms Dad was notified through the prison system but won't be assigned support yet. His time will come. For now, the focus is all on Christina. Despite her "it's a family thing" argument, the judge reminds everyone that Miss Stone didn't have to take the child, but did. She also spent her own money on doctor visits. Christina's laid-back attitude doesn't match the seriousness of what she's done, or failed to do. This isn't a favor anymore. It's a legal obligation.
You and Dad both, but it wouldn't be right to put Dad on child support today considering he's not here and he's in a penitentiary. Do you know how long he will be in there?
He has about 4 more years left.
Okay, so in 4 years, you guys can come back to court and then we can modify it. But as far as today, you are going to start paying her some child support.
But what if I just get the custody back?
You ain't even taking care of her. What do you mean?
I could take care of my own child.
No, I've been seeing
Wait
you
a minute,
out on
excuse me.
Snapchat all over.
You two will just address me, okay? You never had custody from the sounds of it. If you dropped your daughter off and never went back, she has been in rightful custody of your daughter, not you. So I can't make her overturn that situation. I mean, she's been doing it. That's what's right. And what's right is that you should pay child support. You'd agree with me, right?
Christina suddenly tries to pull a reversal. What if I just get custody back? But Judge Vonda shuts that down instantly. You can't drop off a kid for half a year with no follow-up and then pretend you're still the custodial parent. Legal or not, Miss Stone has rightful custody through consistent care. The courtroom moment gets sharp. Judge Vonda makes it clear. Actions matter more than bloodlines, and Christina's actions scream abandonment, not motherhood.
Well, I mean, I would eventually like to get my child back.
Well, that's fine eventually, but today, that's not what's going to happen, okay? How much money do you make?
I make about 30 grand a year.
30 grand a year. Okay, what do you do?
I work for a retail store.
You get commission?
No, I do not.
Okay. Is that the truth? Because you kind of hesitated.
I mean, I have other endeavors and stuff, like, you know, side businesses.
Okay, but nothing that just generates a whole lot of money?
No.
Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you have any other children?
I do not.
Okay. So your child support obligation will start today. And health insurance. Do you know how much it would cost to add the child only?
So I had called around and they were quoting me about $500.
Time for the math. Christina says she earns $30,000 a year at a retail store. Hesitating when asked about commissions, she eventually admits to side hustles, but nothing significant. No other kids. The judge starts calculating. Meanwhile, Miss Stone shares that adding Karina to her health insurance would cost $500. Total family coverage is $1,300 for 4 people. The court will divide that cost equally and assign Christina's portion for reimbursement. It's getting real now. No more sidestepping.
For that child only. Okay, if that child is, you said you have 2 other children? Mm-hmm. So it's 2 other children, it'll be you and then Karina.
Yes,
So it'll be
ma'am.
4 people. How much would it be total for your insurance?
So for all of us, I think they said like $1,300.
$1,300. Oh, health insurance is so expensive. Mm-hmm. So what I can do is divide it by 4. So individually, each person would be $325. So that would be the coverage that you will reimburse to your sister. Okay? In addition to child support. So you said you have 1 child. I have your gross at $2,500 monthly, which brings your net to $2,146.92. And you have 1 child. That brings your child support obligation to $429 plus the health insurance at $325. Your monthly obligation is $754 a month. You can roll your eyes all you want to.
Judge Vonda calculates everything. Christina's monthly gross is $2,500. Net is $2,146.92. Based on Texas guidelines, child support comes out to $429. Add in the health insurance reimbursement of $325, and Christina now owes her sister $754 monthly. Christina rolls her eyes. The judge doesn't flinch. Right is right and wrong is wrong, she says, dropping the gavel on excuses and firmly backing the aunt who stepped up when no one else did. Parenting by proxy now has legal weight.
I'm really not bothered by that. right is right and wrong is wrong. And based on what your sister said and based on your own admission, you're in the wrong, and it's only right that you pay her child support as well as health insurance so your daughter can get her health issues taken care of. Anything I said confuse you?
I understand.
Okay. Well, do you have any questions for me?
I don't.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
After the case wraps, Judge Wanda breaks it down for the audience. She explains why only Christina was ordered to pay. Dad's incarcerated and can't contribute yet, but once he's out, they can revisit. She emphasizes that in Texas, the person actually caring for the child can obtain a legal order to add the child to insurance and collect child support. Even if they're not the biological parent, the law backs the caregiver. The message is clear. Responsibility isn't optional, it's enforceable.